is the espresso chewy dark chocolate chip cookie, and he has an espresso martini. Hi, welcome to Mama Debz Kitchen. Week 4 of the holiday cocktail cookie pairings for the holidays. Today we are making a chewy espresso chocolate chip cookie.
I know they're chewy.
It says it. We're going to find out if they're chewy.
There.
Okay, so in here I have 3/4 of a cup. We're doing the brown butter one again. 3/4 of a cup of brown butter. I already browned it. And I'm going to mix that with 1 cup of dark brown sugar and 1/3 of a cup of white sugar. I had to look at that. And we're going to cream those together. Here's all the ingredients. Next, I'm going to put in 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This is Celtic salt. I don't know. It's what Danny had here, so I used it. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 of a cup of espresso powder, and 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Okay, so we're going to cream this together. I'm going to throw in the egg and the egg yolk. Ooh, messy there. The vanilla. You know me, I always go over on the vanilla, right? In a separate bowl, mix together the flour. So I'm going to combine all these. Okay. We're going to make sure this is all combined. I'm excited to taste this. I don't think I've ever made a cookie yet with espresso powder, have I? No. We're going to pair this with an espresso martini.
Now, Tori likes to throw in the eggshells in the plate sometimes. Are you not supposed to do that?
She just gets a little nervous. She is getting a lot better. She's thrown these in on accident and a couple of eggshells. Give her a break. We love her, don't we? So, best way to do your flour. I didn't put my little cage on because we know what happens, right, Bill?
Mm-hmm.
Let me put the rest of it in there. This is the awkward part. We need to create something that is tubular. And it says you can use like dark chocolate and chunk it up. I'm using dark chocolate chips. And it says to use 4 ounces. I think this is a little bit more because Danny always tells me I don't put enough chocolate chips in. So we're going to put these in.
He just always complains.
He just always complains. Okay. And that's the dough for this. Oh my God, haven't I gotten like more quick with my cookie making experience?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to scoop them out. When we come back, we're going to put them in the oven, and we're going to put them in the oven on 350. And we're going to cook them for 11 minutes. Everything's 11 minutes mostly with cookies, right? So I'm going to scoop them out. We're going to put them in the oven, and then I'm going to do an espresso martini. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Okay, we are on our final episode for the holiday cocktail cookie
You guys are
combos.
Same outfits as last week.
Yeah, we do have the same outfits on because we're not going to say that word again this week, are we? Whore. Yeah. Okay. So, which cookie do you want? This is the espresso chewy dark chocolate chip cookie, and he has an espresso martini. What I did this time was I only put 1 shot of vodka in. 1 shot of vodka, 2 shots of espresso. Those are good?
Oh, yeah.
Taste it with the martini. An espresso martini. Be careful.
That one's much better.
Yeah, then last week was strong.
Which I'm
So-
not mad
I did 1 shot of vodka, 2 shots of espresso. I made a little espresso coffee in the back. I did it myself with a little lemon. It's good. I don't know if anyone will know what I'm referring to there, but I hope somebody figures it out and writes it in the comments. A shot of Kahlua. Look at, talk about martinis, man. We've been drinking Kahlua. A shot of Bailey's.
at. Good thing that Laura got you that vodka.
I don't even know what I said here. Two shots of espresso, 1 shot of vodka, 1 shot of Kahlua, and 1 shot of Bailey's.
You
And you
said
like
this
that?
4 times. And
I know. Jesus. Does it go good with the cookie?
Yeah.
Dan, you want to try it?
I really feel a lot of cookie dough and I think
Oh my God.
the cookie dough was not as good.
Okay, so I hope somebody will comment and share and subscribe and tell us which combo you liked best. You missed the cranberry white chocolate macadamia nut cookie with the cranberry martini. That was a good pairing. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Month of November, I think is going to be soup month, like winter soup month.
Boo.
Why?
Soup sucks.
Okay, we'll see. We might change
Changed
that,
my
but
mind.
what?
That soup sucks.
You don't like that soup from Olive Garden, that Tuscan soup with the sauce?
Potato soup.
Potato is broth and noodles.
It's good soup.
Okay, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. But Eric's gonna drink more martinis with me.
Let's get fucked up.